Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Legend YouTube channel. In today's video, we are reviewing the Drocon 5G Wi-Fi FPV GPS drone. Also for your convenience, you can find the links to this product right in the description down below. Without further ado, let's get straight into this review. If you are looking for a beginner drone, you will be looking for a product that combines a number of factors. 1. It must be affordable, because at some time in the future, you will have to upgrade to a version made for advanced users. Secondly, it must be easy to use, something that you can plug in and play, or just set up and use. If you are a beginner drone enthusiast, and you are looking for one that you can cut your teeth on, welcome to this Drocon drone for beginners DC-08 review. You will see why this drone is the best for the wet behind the ears quadcopter enthusiasts. Not only does it look good and is easy to fly, but it also packs a wonderful set of features. Let's look at the packaging. This is a ready-to-fly drone, but that does not mean you can fly it right out of the box. Don't worry, it won't take you longer than 10 to 15 minutes to launch it to the skies. I'll explain that few lines below. So, what's included in the package? Drocon DC-08 drone body. A remote controller for controlling the drone. 1 USB charging cables to charge the battery. 1080p HD camera with 120 degrees field of view, and 60 degrees gimbal up and down. 1 drone batteries. 4 landing slides. 4 rotating blades or propellers with extra 4 propellers. 4 protecting frames. A screwdriver. And lastly, the user manual. Setting the drone up for flying. You'll need to assemble only a few things before your first flight. Follow these steps and you shouldn't have any problems with it. Attach landing gear using a screwdriver you got in the package. Attach blade protecting frames. This is not required but it's highly recommended for all beginners. Make sure the camera is connected. There's camera slot on the bottom of the drone. Make sure the battery is connected and a memory card is attached to the drone to store your video files. Lastly, download the Drocon app from the App Store, in order to record videos and capture photos. And, you're almost set to fly the drone. Note about blade protection, it's not required to have these attached to your drone, but if you're beginner, please listen to my advice, and attach them. You'll crash your drone at least once, that's a fact. In my whole drone flying career, I have not seen any beginner, who hasn't crashed his or her drone at least once. If you're flying indoors, and crash your drone into the wall, propellers will break easily. That's not what anybody wants. Now, let's talk about this drone design and durability. Drocon DC-08 design is quite common for a quadcopter. It would be a lie if I told you, it's the most beautiful drone I've ever seen, or something like that. But I like it. It looks good and when you hold it, you can feel that it's not some cheap toy. Build quality is good in my opinion. It has LED lights on the top, which is a common feature in all new drones. Blue lights forward, and green lights backwards. This will make your life much easier, if you decide to fly it at night, which I especially like. Now, let's talk about the camera. This drone comes with a 1080p high-definition, HD, camera. This camera is able to record videos at 25 frames and take snaps at 1080p resolution. This probably doesn't mean much to you so I'll try to demonstrate it. This camera can't be considered as a professional camera, it is far away from that. But that doesn't mean it's useless, truth is it's a really nice camera for fun purposes. It's not better nor worse than other cameras in this price range drone. Also, videos and photos are stored on the microSD card which is not included in the package. So, you have to buy it extra, keep that in mind. Here you can see a sample of a video I recorded with this drone in the sky. Drone controller. Drocon DC-08 comes with a controller that resembles a typical DJI drone joystick. It's very comfortable to hold. You'll need to insert 3 AA batteries before you can turn it on. Batteries are not included in the package, so you'll have to buy them separately. They should last for a month minimum. On top, we have a phone holder mount. If you hook up your phone with the Drocon app, you can see a live feed from the camera on that display. It's used to display all the crucial information such as live feed of the video, to take picture or video, battery status, signal strength, drone speed and GPS. Let's talk about its flight performance. If you're a beginner, you'll probably find it a bit difficult to fly it at first. Since this is a medium-sized drone, it can easily be flown outdoors. It's not very wind resistant, so be careful about that. Overall, Drocon DC-08 is a stable flyer that's good for both indoor and outdoor flights. I prefer to fly it outdoor and in the daytime, since the included drone camera quality is not the best. Let's talk about flight time and battery life. I was seeing anywhere between 5 to 7 minutes of flight time with a full battery charge, which isn't amazing. Charging the batteries can take quite a long time, too, so it's definitely worth investing in spare batteries. I've definitely found the limited battery life a hindrance, and it's one of the Drocon DC-08 biggest weaknesses. In conclusion, the Drocon DC-08 drone definitely has to be one of the best camera quadcopters for beginners. It is integrated with the Drocon app, an optimized 1080p HD camera that delivers good aerial shots. Even more so, it has a maximum control distance up to 420 meters. If you are truly looking for a smart camera drone that is easy to fly and learn, we think you won't be disappointed with the Drocon DC-08 GPS drone. After all, it is a professional designed quadcopter made for beginners and kids. We hope you found our review helpful and insightful. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment in the comments section below. As always, thank you for watching our review on this product. Also, if you are interested to check this product out yourself, you can find the link in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment, and to subscribe.